Welcome to First Baby. Today we are going to learn about the cutest baby animals on the farm.
Let's start.
This little guy is called a puppy. Puppies are born with their eyes closed and open them after 10 to 14 days. Puppies love to chew on toys, chase balls, and cuddle in cozy beds. Do you know what sound a puppy makes? That's right, woof woof! Here comes a cat and the baby cat. It's called a kitten. Soft, tiny, and loves to nap. Kittens start to walk when they are around 3 weeks old. Meow, meow! Say hello to the kitten, a baby cat. Kittens love to play, nap, and climb up high. Their purr sounds like a tiny motor when they are happy. Boing, boing! That's a rabbit! And the baby rabbit is called a bunny or a kit. So cute with those long ears. Bunnies have big ears, twitchy noses, and they love carrots. Can you wiggle your nose like a bunny? Bunnies' teeth never stop growing, so they chew a lot to keep them short. Baby bunnies are born with no fur and their eyes are closed. They grow fast and are super playful. Moo moo! Say hello to the calf, a baby cow. Calves are gentle, curious, and full of energy. They drink warm milk, take cozy naps in the straw, and love to run around the farm. Look, this little one is chasing butterflies with its tiny tail swishing. Their big eyes are full of wonder, and their soft noses love gentle pats. Did you know a calf can stand up and walk just an hour after it's born? Amazing, right? When they grow up, calves become big, strong cows or bulls that give us milk and help farmers. Each calf has a unique pattern on its coat, just like our fingerprints. Oink oink! Meet the adorable piglet, a baby pig. Piglets are playful, super smart, and love muddy puddles. They snort, squeal, and wiggle their curly tails. Did you know piglets stay warm by cuddling in a piggy pile? It's their way of hugging. Baba. The sweet little lamb is a baby sheep. Lambs are covered in soft woolly fleece that keeps them warm and fuzzy. They love to jump and run through the grass, and they stay close to their moms in the field. Lambs bleat to say hello, and they recognize their mother's voice right after birth. Look at those tiny hooves go. Boing, boing, and guess what? Lambs sleep in cozy groups to stay safe and warm, just like a big sheepy family cuddle. Lambs are often born as twins and can walk just minutes after birth. Peekaboo! This tiny explorer is a baby fox, and it's called a cub. Fox cubs are born in cozy dens underground and stay hidden for a few weeks. They have soft reddish fur, pointy ears, and big, curious eyes. Fox cubs love to play, pounce, and follow their parents while learning to hunt. Fox cubs bark and yip to talk to each other just like puppies. Rah! Meet the bear cub, a playful baby bear. Cubby bears are curious and full of energy. They love to climb trees, tumble in the grass, and explore the forest with their mamas. They are born tiny and hairless, but grow quickly into fluffy explorers with big paws and little growls. Bear cubs stay with their mothers for up to 2 years, learning how to find food, stay safe, and even fish in rivers. Just look at that cuddly ball of fluff. Bear cubs sometimes suck their paws to fall asleep, just like babies with thumbs. Roar! Say hello to the tiger cub, the baby of the jungle king. Tiger cubs are born with their eyes closed and open them after a week. They love to sneak, pounce, and roll just like big cats, but they are still learning. Their orange fur and black stripes help them hide in the grass. Tiger cubs stay close to their mother for protection and learn how to hunt by playing. They practice their stalking skills by chasing leaves, bugs, and even their own tail. Tiger cubs start purring, meowing, and even chirping to talk to their mom. Trumpet time! Meet the elephant calf, a baby elephant. Elephant calves are born big, almost as heavy as a grown-up lion. They stay close to their moms and are lovingly cared for by the whole herd. They use their little trunks to smell, drink, and play. Though wobbly at first, they soon learn to walk, splash in water, and even trumpet in their own squeaky way. They're curious, cuddly, and love being part of their giant family. Elephant calves hold trunks with other elephants, just like holding hands. Roar! Meet the lion cub, the baby of the jungle's royal family. Lion cubs are born with their eyes shut and covered in tiny spots to help them blend in. They love to wrestle, chase tails, and cuddle up in big furry piles. Cub life is all about play and learning from mom and the pride. As they grow, lion cubs watch and follow the adults to learn hunting and roaring. Even though they are small now, they'll one day grow into mighty lions and lionesses. Lion cubs start roaring softly at just a few weeks old, but it gets louder as they grow. Look at this long-legged cutie. This is a camel calf, a baby camel. Camel calves are born in hot deserts and can stand up just a few hours after birth. They stay close to their mothers and learn how to walk on sand using their soft padded feet. With their big eyes, long eyelashes, and wobbly legs, camel calves are built for desert life. They don't have a hump at birth. It grows as they get older. These babies love to explore the sandy world and rest under the shade. Camel calves can survive for hours without water, just like grown-up camels. Nene, this sweetie little friend, is a foal, a baby horse. Foals are born with long legs and can stand and walk within just a few hours. They wobble at first but quickly start trotting, running and even jumping, just like grown-up horses. Foals love to play in open fields and stay close to their moms. Their soft fur and curious eyes make them extra lovable. As they grow, their tails get longer, their gallop gets stronger, and soon they're racing with the wind. Foals sleep lying down, but adult horses mostly sleep standing up. Peep peep! Look at this tiny fluffy ball of sunshine. It's a chick, a baby chicken. Chicks hatch from eggs after 21 days and are covered in soft downy feathers. They chirp, peck at food, and stay close to their warm and caring mother hen. Chicks are curious little explorers. They learn how to scratch the ground, drink water, and follow their flock with tiny steps. They love cozy naps and cuddles under mama's wing. Did you know chicks use their egg tooth to break out of their shell? Chicks can recognize their mother's voice while still inside the egg. Quack quack! Say hi to the duckling, a baby duck. Ducklings hatch from eggs and are covered in soft, fluffy feathers. Right after hatching, they can walk, swim, and follow their mother in a neat little line, like a tiny feathered parade. They love playing in water, diving for tiny bugs, and shaking off droplets with a wiggle. Ducklings have wet feet for paddling and waterproof feathers that help them float. They chirp and quack in sweet little voices. So adorable! Ducklings imprint on the first thing they see, usually their mom, and follow her everywhere. Waddle waddle, meet the adorable penguin chick, a baby penguin. Penguin chicks hatch from eggs and are covered in fuzzy grey down. They stay warm by snuggling under their parents' belly, safe on top of their feet. These chicks love to chirp, waddle, and slide on the ice. Even though they can't swim yet, they watch and learn from their parents every day. Penguin families live in freezing places, but their fluffy feathers keep them cozy. Penguin dads keep the egg warm while moms go find food. What a team! Boing boing, say hello to the joey, a baby kangaroo. Joeys are born super tiny, as small as a jelly bean, and climb into their mother's pouch right after birth. They stay cozy inside the pouch for months, growing, nursing, and peeking out at the world. Once they are big enough, joeys hop out to explore, bouncing on their strong back legs and balancing with their tails. But whenever they feel sleepy or scared, they jump right back into their pouch for a cuddle ride. Even when they start hopping, joeys still return to mom's pouch for snacks and naps.